Demonstration of using CGDI with GODIAG for BMW FEM BDC programming test platform to generate BMW FEM key. First, connect the GODIAG test platform, FEM, CGDI, and the computer. Finally, plug in the power cord. Open the computer and double-click the CGDI software. Select FEM or BDC. Select the 8th blank key. Click Generate Dealer Key. Select Reading the Car Key. Click Next Step. Insert the original key according to the software prompts. After recognizing the original key, click Confirm and continue to follow the prompts to insert the new key. We use KM100 and a blank key to generate a BMW key. After the generation, let's identify the key. It says, not locked on KM100. We put the generated key into the GODIAG test platform. You can see, programming key success on the computer. Then we press the start button on the GODIAG test platform. The programmed key lights up the analog dashboard. Then use KM100 to identify it. It says, locked. It means the key programming is successful.